Then when we want to see the film industry, basically it's a new segment. Most of the films basically depends on theatre to release the movies, right? Very natural, because it's a big market where theatres, where people love to go out, watch the movie in theatre with a good sound effect and other benefits are there. But due to the lockdown, naturally whatever been happening is theatres are not allowed to open because of the crowd gathering may happen, AC is there, like that. So for a time period, what I am seeing as a new segment is they need to first sell the project. What are completed films, maybe here and there another 5-10% work is there. Let them complete, and they need to find the new market. What is the new segment? Already there are people who approach new films released predominantly in theatres. Now situation, theatre is not functioning. Better to release in online mode, through television, sell the new film. Theatre people should not feel it, sir. As a consultant, what you are conveying? Only by selling the films, completed films, they can make money. Only the industry will survive. Otherwise, industry will collapse. Maybe after a few months, once the situation is recorded, again the situation has to go back to the theatre. Same like people love to watch the movies in theatre, right? What I am saying is, so at least say in other situation, no sir, only in theatre film has to watch. We cannot release it in the online or television. New films, what will happen? The films whichever is taken in 2019 and 20, it cannot be released after 1 year and 2 years, where mismatch will be there. People may not like the movie, so there will be a huge loss. Instead of that, if it is completed, let it be released. Everyone should cooperate each other, but people who are incurring loss, like theatres and associated people and staff, so that whatever they within the industry, they should support them till the recovery is happening. They need to be supported, whatever the best possible way within the industry. They need to find out a solution to support the theatres. This is very genuine, no, because everyone is internally associated. Okay, this is about the film. This is a new market, releasing new films in television and digital mode through online. So and theatres will be once it is recorded, it has to be released. This one only I am conveying, so that the delay should not happen. People has to be paid. Only when income is generated, they can pay the people, so that industry has to regain. Now coming back to the gold, new segment for gold, where the people are, when the people will come, we are waiting. Gold business people, they will be thinking, what is the new segment, sir? Already customers who are going to buy, they will buy. But new segment, what I am saying, you need to think on something like a gifting for the gifting for functions. Generally, when you go to wedding, what will give? Money, gold, or any other items, XYZ electronics, or any kind of decorating items, XYZ. There are according to the people's interest. But in future, new segment, gifting, any function is happening, people who are affordable. I am not saying all the people. People who are affordable, let them gift 1 gram or 4 gram or 8 gram based on their capacity, based on the person to whom they want to present. Why? It will be useful for the wedding itself. People will need not strain. People who have low income and middle income group, even 3 months before, 6 months before, if it is wedding, it is planned, it has been known to you, people can even comfortably, very generously, they can gift gold. So what is it? So gifting purpose, there would be a new market, new segment, I would say new segment will emerge, so that the market will grow. People also will be in win-win situation. Everyone will get benefited. Coming to media, what is going to happen in media as a new segment, I would say. Sir, as a consultant, I am associated with the different projects while talking to. I was out to all the categories, very small upcoming company, medium companies, I would say even a corporate. All 3 categories I am served and serving. So what is going to happen? Small company, generally when we talk about advertising, sir, advertising huge money. This is not a general attitude. Television, sir, we have to allocate huge sum of money, lakhs, crore. So what can happen to media? What kind of thinking you can do for a media segment is, you have to create a new segment. Even a small company have a small budgets, minimum budget. You need to work out to create an advertising mode. Small budgets. Why? Huge number unexplored market, I would say. Unexplored market of a small and medium scale enterprises are there across the world, particularly even in India. For them, if you go and talk about advertising, sir, this is expensive. So create a new market by supporting for a minimum package. Display will be happening for 3 months. This is the package. While taking, you will be affordable for this package, like that. So win-win situation. Coming to renovation and painting, new market, place of worships, schools, and any public places. Who is going to do? People who have surplus money and high net worth individual has realized life is uncertain. Coronavirus has given a good learning to people. Next day morning, who is going to live? Nobody knows. Already this is a fact, but people has realized now. So what they will do tomorrow, if I'm not there, all the wealth, what is going to happen? So now they will start doing philanthropic activities more. Already people are doing it. Now they will start renovating and improve the facility, provide basic facility to the schools, a place of worship. So there the market will, new segment is lying for renovation, painting, and improving the facility. So all, I would say this entire industry, construction, plumbing, I would say, who have been involved in renovation, cement industry, all related industry will have a new segment now in front of. Coming to tour and travel, what is a new segment? Going to abroad, going to long distance will come down, but going to short distance will be slowly. Once after few weeks or few months, once the situation is recovered, people will start loving to travel at least to short distance. So what will happen? New segment. People who are allowed to travel from morning to evening, say morning 7 a.m. 7 to 7 program. So I am able to connect with 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. What is going to happen? 7 to 7, there is one day program, one day tour programs for short distance can be organized. I am saying new market can be organized. People will not be ready to travel long distance for various good reasons due to the challenge of virus. Next few months, I would say. After 1 year, it will recover. Okay. So this can be new market where they can organize short distance program within the city, within the state, or within the district, like that. Okay. So I want to conclude here on the topic 3. So the activity is, what kind of new segment that you can develop for your business. Having listened to all these things, now you can customize according to your business. Okay. So to conclude, do the activity for your own benefit. And this topic is, all the 7 topics is exclusively for registered participants who are paid 700. If somebody wanted to make others to get benefit, ask them to enroll and use it as a morally responsible purpose. Thank you all.